Hi guys! So, welcome back to our channel. So, kanina pumunta kami sa
Armageddon Expo.
Yeah, dito sa New Zealand and
It's a 4-day event. It started yesterday
yeah,
and last until Monday because holiday Monday dito, Labor Day.
Labor Day.
So, it's a long weekend for some, but yeah.
Not for me. Still working. We actually had fun. I had fun. Hindi ko na-expect na ano ba, papakit. Hindi ko na-expect na matutuwa ako ng ganun. Like, nung una, parang, daming tao. Like, first time ko makapunta sa ganun. Kasi, sa Philippines naman, parang, I'm not so sure kung merong mga ganun na type ng expo. But, I guess, meron yung mga cosplay events.
Yeah.
Wherein, hindi naman ako pumupunta. Like, hindi naman ako into animes.
Yeah.
Ganon, like, ganon lang ako.
Yeah, ako din naman. First time ko magpunta doon and it's good. Like, ganun. Pareho lang din nung naiisip ko, napipicture ko sa isip ko yung itsura. And yeah, ang daming tao. And
Yeah.
we bought some stuffs.
Yeah, na hindi naman namin
Yeah.
ina-expect na bibili namin.
Sa ano namin, like, pupunta kami doon, magtitingin na lang bibilin. Siguro kami bibilin, like, isa, dalawa lang.
Yeah, and hindi,
Pero,
yung kasya lang sa budget.
Oo.
But then,
Ayun.
we ended up buying yung mga bagay na, I mean, gusto namin. Gusto ko yung mga
Yeah.
nakuha ko. And,
Me too, yeah.
yeah, I'm excited dun sa mga napili ko. So, let's start unboxing some of the other stuffs na hindi namin nabili doon pero we can say part of
Yeah, part of our
collections na parang
love
rinirave namin.
items, yeah.
Sabihin mo sa kanila, what is chur?
So, wait, I can't read it. You have to read
Chur.
it.
It's an interjection, an informal word from New Zealand, which is, it's a colloquial word, a strong voicing of thanks, approval, and or agreement. So you can also say, can you say that?
Trevor.
Yeah, just like that. And then it can also use as a parting salutation.
Yeah.
So you can also say chur to the chur.
Churbo. Churbo.
Yeah, chur. So yeah, that's his shirt. So let's start from this item. This item is a PS4 DualShock 4. This is limited edition?
Yeah, mint green.
Yeah.
And she bought it on the Philippines when she went back there.
Yeah, when I was on vacation, I bought
In
it
June, yeah.
for him, but June pa yun, hindi pa din niya binubuksan. Ang tagal na, so buksan mo na yan. Kasi ginagamit pa niya rin yung old controller niya na binili niya. But then, yeah. It's time for you to open that, boy. Kikita nila. Ginaganyan kita.
And someone knows you call me boy.
Yeah.
You're gonna see it here. I'm scared. I will keep the box. Because after unboxing it, I'm gonna put it back.
What? You're not gonna use that.
Oh, this is...
Binili ko pa. Wag na, balik na yun.
Uwi ka Pilipinas para i-refund.
It's just the same. It's just different color, which is a limited edition one.
And wait, it goes back to the box mo na.
Ay! Ayaw gamitin.
Uy, gagamitin siya daw. Yeah! Balik mo na siya dyan. And never to be touched again.
Okay.
And her controller, I pre-ordered this.
Tada!
Yeah. This is a controller, but it's a rose gold edition color. That's for her.
For me.
So, yeah, I'll let her
I'm gonna
unbox
use it. Why are you gonna buy stuff na hindi mo naman gagamitin? Just for... I'm gonna use this one. Kasi isa lang yung controller na nandito dahil binigay mo na kay daddy yung isa.
Yeah.
Binigay
But there's some people who buy controller with casing on. They don't touch it.
So you're one of them.
Nah, but that's expensive controller hoarding.
Yeah, but then binili ko nga, Pinoy, di ba? Kapag Pinoy, gagawin ang ginagaya guys. But I mean, binili ko nga yan para kasi alam ko gusto mo yan, di ba?
Yeah.
Kala ko pre-order niya na nun, pero sabi ko, wag kasi nga, gusto ko, may kasalubong ako sa kanya, like, nung umuwi ako. But
Yeah,
meron
actually,
naman dito.
muntik ko nang orderin kasi hindi ko naisip na bibilin pala niya. Kasi nung orderin ko na, biglang nag-out of stock.
Oh, lucky me.
Tapos biglang, sabi ko parang, sa online ko na lang titingnan, gano'n, baka mayroon pa sa online. Tapos hanggang sa nakalimutan ko, tapos pag uwi niya, sabi niya, boy, may papakita, may ano. Pero nung una, mayroon pala siya ng, magdadala dapat siya ng Jollibee sa container. Eh, kaso, na-stop sa airport.
That's gonna be a different story.
Yeah. So,
but hindi umabot yung Jollibee sa kanya kasi walang Jollibee dito.
But yun, meron siyang second.
So, going back, here's my controller. Tada! It looks so girly. I'm not that girly, but at some times, like, I mean, at some point, I feel...
Oh, nice.
ASMR. Yeah. See?
Turn it at the back. Ooh.
Why are you making faces? Yeah. So, yeah. Can use this sometime. Yeah. I love this. I love
ko pala akong
I love rose gold, but I don't like pink that much. Like,
yeah. Meron pala akong naalala, hindi natin naisama sa video kanina.
Oh yeah, sure. What is it?
Ito.
I'll put it back.
Binili ko na nakaraan.
Sure today.
Yeah, this is a game for Nintendo Switch, which I don't have yet, pero meron na akong laro. Nauna pa yung laro bago yung console. So, yeah, unbox ko na din. Kasi wala namang seal.
Yeah, go. Why not?
You have to be careful. Careful?
Careful.
Yeah, Pinoy tayo. Ayun. So, ayun, may cartoon siya sa ibabaw. Para pang balance lang ng cartoon. Para hindi nagbibigil sa loob. Ito yung game. Maliit lang.
Yung bala.
Yeah, and this is the art book. Nakikita niyo dyan yung different arts in game. And yeah, nakita ko na din naman to. Maganda yung itsura niya. Yeah, I'm just waiting for...
But I mean, in-unbox mo na ba yun? Hindi pa binili mo lang yun, tapos nalagay mo.
Yeah, binili ko. Tapos di ko...
Is there something? Yeah, that one.
Kasi, kaya ko siya in-order. That's the limited edition dahil dito. Because I love collecting steelbooks. This is steelbook and itsura niya is parang Game Boy. See?
Yeah, looks so cute.
Yeah, try opening inside. Ooh.
So fun.
Yeah, that's inside. I can put the game inside there too kasi
it's up to
meron
you.
dun. But, I'll let you have a look sa game ng Nintendo Switch. Yan yung lalagyan nila, right? But, if you open it,
Yeah.
that's the only...
It's just that.
It's just that. So, heaps of space na hindi gamit.
He ordered some stuffs online. Tapos, yeah. Umorder siya ng mga Toy Story items na mga pops.
Yeah, as you saw there in the video.
Tapos, since we love Forky so much,
Yeah, Forky.
Forky. I'm Bonnie's trash! Aww! So, yeah. We have this as well. Yeah.
Yeah, we have a happy Forky keychain and a
Yeah.
sad Forky keychain.
Yeah. So, yep.
Yeah.
Let's unbox.
Which one do you want?
I want the sad Forky.
Why?
No, it's just so cute. Like,
Okay.
I'm
ASMR.
gonna use this.
ASMR.
Yeah. Ta-da!
Yeah.
Ta-da! Kitties. Oh,
Careful. Yep, I got my 4K out.
Oh, it. Oh, no. Oh.
Oh no!
Oh, yeah, I got my... Oh, wait. What have I done? Oh, no.
Ganun talaga.
Okay. Hala, takot ako. Akala ko nasira ko. Yay! Oh, no, no, no. Hey, look there.
Oh no!
Ah, Bonnie's trash.
I'm
My
only
Bonnie's thing. Oh, wait. Hindi pa YouTuber. Char. But yeah, may Bonnie sa ilalim.
Yeah, there's a Bonnie
yung
too
malaki
here.
kayo. Gusto ko rin bumili ng yung... Uy!
Wala, hindi pa YouTuber.
Next one is this baby right here. Yeah. Ayun, may tunog pa din. Antay mo na natin.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
We'll use muna some of my kasi bibili naman ako ng bago. Kasi hindi namin makita yung kunding dito sa kwarto. Yung labas natin. So,
Baka naginamit tapos naiwan sa labas.
yeah, so this is eyebrow one. Bibili naman ako ng bago. This is
Yeah.
oldie. Oh, wait. Yep. So, help me.
Yeah.
Wait, where should I? Oh, okay. There's more. Money heist outside.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, my heart. You see that?
Yeah.
Oh
That's
gosh.
that's the Iron Throne.
Yeah. We haven't played this. Like,
Yeah.
binili din niya to.
Binili ko to nung bago siya.
Oh,
Nung nasa
wait.
Philippines siya
Yeah.
on vacation. And,
So, this is yung surprise niya sa akin ng pag-uwi ko. Oh my gosh. Ayoko pindutin kasi mag-iingay na naman siya.
yeah,
Few moments
mag-aantay
later
na
na
tayo
naman
ng
tayo.
tagal. And there's the board.
So happy. Yeah, the board. Like, how do you play it? Help, I can pay and stuff. So, oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh. Oh. Naririnig niyo ba yun? ASMR, char. Any Game of Thrones andyan. Mga Game of Thrones babies. Let's play.
Yeah. So,
Oh
yeah.
my gosh. We should play this sometime.
We should.
Another Game of Thrones na item that I have for myself. Tada! I bought this today sa Expo.
Yeah.
Game of Thrones Puzzle of Westeros. This is, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, 1,400 pieces.
Yeah, sure.
And 65 plus detailed buildings. Yeah, so merong King's Landing, Winterfell, Dragonstone, The Wall Castle Black, Casterly Rock, and then Pike. So, yeah, oh my gosh.
Tapos
So in love.
ibang layer, by layer siya. Like, by layers, parang yung layer 1 niya, yung pinakailalim, jigsaw puzzle din yun. So, layer 2 yung ibabaw. Parang lupain din, jigsaw puzzle
Topography
din.
map of Westeros.
Tapos yung layer 2 niya, yun yung parang mga model.
Models, yeah, 3D
Pwede
replicas.
lalagay mo dun sa ano. Which is good, like, happy for her.
I'm gonna show this to you guys kapag nagawa ko na. Ayun, no, yung mga included na ano. And that's River Run, Dragonstone, Harrenhal, and then ayaw mag-focus. My God. Castle Black. Basta Castle Black eh. So we have some shirts as well, like Marvel, because we love Marvel as well. Yeah,
I mean, we love them, but kasi baka mabash kami, and we're not really, Marvel enthusiasts.
yeah, but
Like,
then
we love them, we
yeah,
enjoy it.
especially
So,
Stanley.
yeah. So,
He's
yeah.
amazing.
So, just clearing the things up. Baka
Yeah.
sabihin,
Baka may mag-comment.
baka may magtanong, kilala mo ba si ganito? Ganyan.
Okay,
Love
okay.
Marvel pala, ha?
That's gonna be it for today's vlog.
And thank you guys for watching.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button.
Yeah, and if you don't like the video, just click away.
No, hit. thumbs down button. Just click away.
Yeah, and share and subscribe.
And comment down below. And that's all for today.
That's all for today.
Sure.
Turbo.
Bye.